Okay, we're going to talk about something that is going to apply to you guys. If not already, then we'll soon. And that's employment, looking for work so that you can earn money. I know a lot of times students take on after school or summer jobs, but eventually you're going to be out of school and you're going to be uh, interested in pursuing a specific career. So some things that, this is the first section in this unit, so there's some abbreviations that you'll need to get used to if you don't understand what they mean already. I'll let you read those. Sounds like a good matching question on the next quiz. But you'll choose a career, then your field of interest, and then you'll develop skills in that area. But there's some basic things that you need to know, such as there's some vocabulary words in here. Your resume. It's a short account of your education. That's your chance to brag on yourself, to set yourself apart from others, tell them why you're qualified for a particular job. You'll have numerous forms when you get hired, and you guys that are already working already know about all of these. You filled out a W-4 that tells them how much to withhold from you, from your paycheck for taxes. Anyways, let's talk about money, because that's what we're working for, right? So Julianne found a job listed in the classified ads that pays a yearly salary of $41K. $41K. Okay. The K stands for 1,000. So if you see $41K, it's $41,000. What is her weekly salary based on this annual salary? Well, how many weeks are in a year? 52. So you just take the 41,000. 41K is 41,000 divided by 52, and that's what you get, 7088.46. Okay, so if you see that K, it means 1,000. Karen found a job with an annual salary of 67.3K. 67,000 and then 3. If you multiply 67.3 times 1,000, that's the easiest way to come up with that number. 67,300. So that's her salary. What is her monthly pay rounded to the nearest dollar? Now, they're not taking into account any taxes or withholding or anything. They're just asking, what is her monthly pay? So we would simply take that money and or that amount and divide by 12. And you would get 5608 and some change. So rounded to the nearest dollar would be 5608. That's easy enough. Okay. Dylan took a job through an employment agency. The job pays $395 per week. Dylan must pay a fee to the employment agency. The fee is 20% of his first 4 weeks' pay. How much money must Dylan pay the agency? So they're taking 20% every week for the first 4 weeks. So we have to figure out what 20% is for his first 4 weeks' pay. Well, his first 4 weeks' pay would be, since it's $395 per week, for 4 weeks, he's going to earn this. To get 20% of that, you simply multiply this by 0.20. Remember, not 20%. Move the decimal. And you get $316. So the employment agency made $316. That's their fee that they take for helping Dylan find this job. Now, after the first 4 weeks, he doesn't have to pay them anymore. So he just pays them a fee during the first 4 weeks. And that's how the employment agency makes their money. So I've got this crossed out, but I'm going to go over it because you're going to have some questions on your quiz and your homework. Ken is a mechanic who owns an Ace Auto Repair. He needs a foreign car expert and is placing a 12-line classified ad. The cost of an ad, X lines long, is given by the following piecewise function. Okay, so let me tell you how they read this. When X is less than or equal to 4, and that what X stands for is how many lines they're going to place. A classified ad is an advertisement that you place in a magazine or a newspaper, usually asking, saying you have you need help wanted. So when you place this ad, obviously the newspaper is going to charge you for this. So the classified ad is the advertisement that says you are needing help and you're willing to hire somebody. So in this case, Ken is the mechanic who owns the shop. He has to pay for the ad. What this means here is if the lines, however many lines he's posting, if it's less than or equal to 4, he simply pays $56. If the number of lines that he's posting is greater than 4, then he's going to pay this much, 56 plus 6 times the number of lines minus 4. The cost of a 12-line ad. Well, 12 is not